This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group for the final time this year, and market ending little change today. The two stocks that did contribute most to the overall gains that we've seen this year, Apple, Microsoft. Also for the entire decade, not just the year. Now, end of the year stats, the Dow finishing up 26%. The best Dow stocks for this year, yep, Apple up 86%. 86%. Microsoft up 59%, followed by JP Morgan up 47%, Visa 44%. The worst Dow stock of the year was WBA, Walgreen Boots Alliance, down 11%. S&P up almost 32%. The best S&P 500 stocks for the year, AMD up 150%. LRCX, Lam Research 120%. The worst S&P 500 stocks of the year, Biomed, ABMD down 48%, and Macy's, the retailer, down 40%. The NASDAQ also up 37%. Unemployment dropped to 3.5% this year, the lowest since 1969. Average hourly wages were up 3.1%, and GDP growth for the third quarter, 2.1%. Some real nice stats for the year. Yesterday, ES option data. 489,000 options traded, 63% on the put side. Volume leaders, end of month, December, 3,100 puts, about 11,300 of those traded. The end of week one, so going out next week, the Jan 3,200 puts, 8,900 of those traded. The end of month, 3,035, December 3,035 puts traded 6,200 times. And then going out one full year to December 2020, the 2650 puts traded about 5,800 times. Expected move that ES options are pricing into the marketplace right now to Friday, about $23. Bitcoin, really unchanged today, down slightly. And even though Bitcoin has almost doubled this year, this calendar year, it ends on a very, very bearish tone as the 7,300 level, which had been some pretty major support, was just breached. This may bring about a run down to the downside of the 6,500 level that we saw just a couple of weeks ago. However, Bitcoin volatility has dropped. The daily price swings that we've seen this year have been smaller and smaller, and the Bitcoin volatility is down to about 3%. Also, pending regulatory approval, Bitcoin options will begin trading here at the CME on January 13th. Happy New Year, everybody. Have a great holiday, a safe one. We'll see you soon. This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group.